Exciting news! Recently, we've been treated to an exclusive sneak peek at the official renders, color options, and impressive design changes of the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S24 series. From the revamped display to enhanced cameras and a powerhouse battery, these standard models are loaded with upgrades. For an in-depth look at these changes, check out my dedicated video. Now, let's delve into the finer details, including the release date and price. Mark your calendars for the grand arrival of the AI-powered Galaxy S24 series on January 18, 2024, South Korean time, or January 17 in San Jose, California, where the live event will unfold. Get ready for a wave of innovative AI features, such as a groundbreaking call translation feature that facilitates seamless communication across languages through transcription and translation, a game-changer in global connectivity. Introducing Ramster, a cutting-edge feature leveraging the Snapdragon AG Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset and AI capabilities. This function upscales photos to a remarkable resolution, maximizing detail. Samsung's default resolution for the Galaxy S24 series is an impressive 24 megapixels, doubling the standard 12 megapixels. The Ultra model goes a step further with an ND filter for RAW photos, elevating your photography experience in various scenarios. Capture stunning 24 megapixel photos by default, eliminating the need for higher megapixel counts while maintaining superior detail. The entire Galaxy S24 series proudly carries the Powered by Galaxy AI tag. From a unique circle drawing search function to voice recognition for up to 10 different voices and transcriptions, Samsung is pushing the boundaries of smartphone innovation. Personalize your device with AI-generated wallpapers featuring specific themes and colors. Weather effects and portrait depth effects on the lock screen add an extra layer of aesthetic appeal. Plus, satellite connectivity, including emergency text via satellite, is a groundbreaking addition, even if it's not an everyday feature. To accommodate these advanced features, the Galaxy S24 models come equipped with a larger vapor chamber cooling system. The S24 Ultra boasts a 1.9 times larger chamber, ensuring optimal performance under demanding conditions. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for: the price. In a surprising move, Samsung has managed to pack all these incredible features without increasing the price. Thanks to the use of Exynos chips in certain markets, the S24 lineup remains budget-friendly. Here's a quick overview: $799 for the base standard Galaxy S24, 128GB 8 DBAAG $999 for the Galaxy's 24 plus 256GB 12G BRAM, and $1,199 for the Galaxy S24 Ultra 256GB 12G RAM. But wait, there's more. From design changes to display enhancements and powerful processing, not to mention the impressive camera setup, there's a lot more to explore. For a comprehensive overview, check out my recent video. Until next time, take care and stay tuned for more exciting updates.